Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim, powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with some great extras that were installed here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS lift, some 20-inch KMC rims with Toyo tires on them, and then bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear tires, as well as running boards down below. So you do, and painted pocket style fender flares as well. So you do have some great accessories coming pre-installed on this vehicle, but let's take a look inside. So first looking at the back, where you do have spacious seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. And in the center, you have fold-out armrest with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 more right there, as well as a 12-volt, 2 USBs, and a 110-volt power outlet, and then heated rear seats. So your back passengers are pretty well set up in this truck. And then the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here, so you do have quite a bit of storage capacity in this truck. So now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and then on the left hand side you have your cruise control buttons, as well as your controls for your center screen here, where you can look at things such as, if we just get a better view, your trip 1 and 2 stats, so mileage, time taken, fuel economy, your fuel economy, fuel history, compass, your auto start stop status, and your truck info such as your tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info. Then you can also go into your towing info and status, your off-road status, and settings for features around your truck. But then you also have a favorites view where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, I believe. So you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. But then you also have your digital climate controls here with dual climate, so you and your passengers can stay at a comfortable temperature. And then your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for features around your truck. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with rear sensors and a full 360 view, actually, with full 360 sensors. So anything in or around your truck you're going to be able to see, and the system will alert you. You can also zoom in on where your hitch would be if you want to have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something. And then you can also press this button up here to access your front view in 3 different angles as well, so that's pretty neat. Up here you also have your start stop, so when you're sitting idle your engine will shut off to conserve fuel and cut down on emissions. And then you have your traction control shut off there. Also premium Bang & Olufsen sound system in this vehicle, so your whatever you're listening to is going to sound pretty good. Moving down, you have your physical media controls and your physical climate controls with heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable. And to the left, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto, your trailer backup and trailer brake. And then you have a 12-volt power outlet and a 110-volt power outlet. Also, this is a push-to-start with a proximity key, so no need to fiddle around with anything. Just put it in your pocket or purse and you're good to go. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Also have this compartment here with 2 USBs inside and some space for stuff, so you can plug something into charge there. You have 2 cup holders, a little cubby, your park assist, and your lane keep assist, and then you also have your locking center compartment / armrest here, which does have a removable tray. And inside you have a ton of space for all of your stuff and another 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in there. But then finally, looking back, you do also have a power rear sliding window and a twin panel moonroof up top. One thing I may have missed, you do also have 3 programmable buttons here for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, mirrors, and also the audio levels in your center console. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you were interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.